I bought this past spring at the Dollar Tree. I bought a few of them, and because I have wanted to paint them white and distress them, and I add spring and summer flower arrangements. And I did all my other ones, but this one just kind of got put on the back burner and never got around to doing it. And now spring and summer have, the decor has faded into the background, and it's time for the fall decor to come out. So I plan on painting this white. The reason I'm painting it again is this stuck out, these letters. And I sanded them down because when I paint it white, I don't want these sticking out, because I plan on Mod Podging some fall napkins that I got from Hobby Lobby on this, and then I'm going to add an autumn floral arrangement to it. So I will show you guys when I do that. When I do that later, I'll come back and I'll show you guys. But for now, this is what it's looking like. I bought these napkins last year at the Dollar Tree, and this is the flower tin that I bought at the Dollar Tree last year that I showed you before. I painted it with chalk paint, Waverly white chalk paint, and I distressed it a little bit, as you can see. And I cut this pumpkin out of the napkin and Mod Podged it on here. Now it's still wet, that's why it's glaring like that, because it hasn't dried yet. But I'm going to be cutting this pumpkin out and putting it on the other side and covering up those letters. And then after I get finished with doing that, I'm not sure if I will try to make it seem more rustic by sanding and distressing it a little bit. So I don't know yet. We'll see when I get there. All right, I finished my flower arrangement in the tin that I got at the Dollar Tree, that I painted with chalk paint and Mod Podged the little pumpkin napkin on, and I'm really liking it. So I wanted to get on here and show you guys how it turned out. I added mums. Everything that I added, they're from the Dollar Tree, except for I put one sunflower on it, and I bought it from Hobby Lobby because, let me turn this around, because the Dollar Tree has sold out all of their fall florals, and so I had to get it at the at the Hobby Lobby, which is fine. I mean, it was 50% off on their flowers, but this is how it turned out, and I am really, really happy with it. But I wanted to show you all. I said I'd come back and show you the finished product, and I think this is my favorite side. So I've got the pumpkins, berries, and the walnuts, pomegranates, and like I said, all of these except for the sunflowers from the Dollar Tree. So the tin is from the Dollar Tree, the pumpkin napkin was from the Dollar Tree, the paint I got from Walmart. It is chalk paint. Well, actually, I bought spray paint from the Hobby Lobby, and I spray painted it, and it didn't turn out looking the best because I had running on it, and then I used Waverly chalk paint from Walmart and went over that and sanded it down. And well, you guys have watched, if you watched this far in the video, you know what I'm talking about, because I've already explained that earlier on in the video. But this is it, and I'm really happy with it. This is going to sit on my dining room table. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Tina from Tina's Country Door. Hope you check out my page, like it, and follow me. Bye.